No, they love each other.
Hi.
The biggest one, so it's probably a male.
What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Hi.
Samaria and the fruit.
Sweetie. From there to here to buy the boat? From the upstairs to here?
I do Samaria.
Ah.
Eto, yeah.
What's his name? You put the name on
Hay
it?
mucho fruta, come todo.
You put the name? No name yet? No name yet? Hi, buddy.
No name yet.
No, I'm picky.
Boy or girl?
They don't use the ring.
I'm going to put the ring on now.
What does that mean, the ring?
The ring is just to identify the year, 2024. So that way you always know how old he is.
Your boy is less than 4 months.
No, it's just number 4. He's only 8 weeks old.
8 weeks old.
8 weeks. 2 months. 2 months. 2 months.
That's going to be like 25 for now, right?
25 years.
He only likes red apples.
Red apples? Oh, we can cut it with regular scissors?
Well, it's a special type.
Only special people, not everybody. That's what I bring it here.
She's the only one that never held a bride yet.
Her husband said what I'm going to do. It's so cute.
Yeah, they like to hide in your hair.
Ah.
Yeah, they love it.
What? No, but they just like hiding it.
They love it. See? Yeah, then if you pet it, it's more they come to finger. You know, mine is very friendly. I leave it open in the house.
Oh, it can be.
It won't bite you.
Sorry, thank
It's
you.
okay.
Name and address.
Hi, guys.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Hey, how are you? Hello, buddy. Hi. $1,000, guys.
No, our dog is called.
Hello, hello. Hello. What happened? Mommy's here. Oi, good boy. Oi, good boy. You good boy? Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, good boy. Just give me a few minutes. Yeah, just see your friend? You want to see your friend? Huh? Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. What happened? Are you sleeping? Are you singing? Hello. Oh, what happened? You sleeping? Yeah? Sleeping and talking? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. You could sleep. It's okay. Hello. Hi. What are you doing? Hey, what's up, buddy? What happened? I see it. What, you want to sleep? Sleepy boy. Hello. Hi. What, buddy? ഇതാണ് സൺഫ്ലവർ സീഡ്. പാരറ്റ്, ക്വിക്കറ്റ് പാരറ്റിൻ്റെ ഫുഡാണ്. ഇതൊന്ന് ഫ്രൂട്ട്സ്, ചെറിയ ബേർഡിൻ്റെ ഫ്രൂട്ട്സാണത്. അവർക്കുള്ള ഷവറിൻ്റെ സ്പ്രേ ബാത്താണ്. Wait! What you making that noise? Hi! What's up? Wee! Good boy. Don't bite it, okay? Don't bite it, okay? Good boy. Hello. What's up?
Okay, give me your.
rolleracting snake.
Oh, there's a bunny up here.